Today in this video, I am going to show you how to create a beautiful black and white portrait in Snapseed photo editing app. If you don't subscribe my channel yet, please do subscribe and let's get started. Open your desired image in Snapseed photo editing app. Then go to the tool section. To make this photo a beautiful, amazing black and white portrait, tap the tool section. From the toolbar menu, tap black and white. From the preset menu, you can choose any one preset which you find suitable for your image. I will go with neutral and do some adjustment here. I will decrease the brightness a little bit so that the image look more darker. I'll increase the contrast little bit. When you are done, tap the check mark. Our image became black and white. Go to the toolbar menu again and select Curve tool. From the Curve tool menu, I will increase luminance a little bit. And change the RGB color. To adjust the face and eye clarity, we will go to the toolbar menu again. From the toolbar menu, now we will select the portrait tool. It will fix the skin and eye clarity. From the setting of portrait tool, here are some presets also. Here are skin tone, pale, fair, medium, dark. I'll select none. I'll do some adjustment here. Here are also some presets. From here, we also can take some. We also can take anyone. I will go with Smooth 2 and increase the face spotlight. As well as skin smoothing and then eye clarity. So that the portrait became more attractive. We can check the image before and after editing. Tap here. You can see by applying portrait tool, there is a huge difference. When you are done your editing, tap the check mark. Tap and hold anywhere on the screen to see the before image. And release your finger to see the edited image. Let's change the color of the background. Let's make it more darker. Tap the toolbar section. Select the brush tool. In brush tool section, there are 4 sections: dodge and burn, exposure, temperature, saturation. I will take the exposure and decrease the brush size to make this image background dark, and brush over. Zoom in and out as you need. When you're done, tap the check mark. Let's check once again. I think you can see the difference. When you have done your editing, tap the done button. That was our today's video. Hope you like this and learn something from it. Please subscribe our channel and get connected with us. Thanks for watching.